Here are the top 5 Donald Trump news items. 1. Supreme Court to hear major tariff case. The Supreme Court is set to hear arguments on challenges to President Trump's use of emergency powers to impose tariffs. The core of the case revolves around whether the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, a 1977 law, grants the president the authority to impose these broad tariffs. Legal experts are divided on the potential outcome, with some suggesting the court's conservative majority might lean towards upholding the president's actions, while others point to potential constitutional questions that could lead to a different ruling. 2. Pentagon Revises Press Policy welcomes new media outlets. The Department of Defense has implemented a new press policy that has led to a shift in the types of media organizations granted access to the Pentagon. Many traditional news outlets have surrendered their credentials for declining to sign the new rules, which some argue may impact First Amendment rights. In their place, a new wave of media organizations, many with a strong pro-Trump stance, have been accredited, sparking discussion about the changing landscape of military reporting. 3. Trump re-nominates Jared Isaacman for NASA. AdministratorPresident Trump has announced he is re-nominating billionaire entrepreneur Jared Isaacman to lead NASA. This comes after Isaacman's initial nomination was withdrawn earlier this year due to a review of his past associations. Trump expressed confidence in Isaacman's suitability for the role, citing his experience as a pilot and astronaut, and his dedication to space exploration. 4. Democrats see victories in off-year elections. Eyeing midterms, Democrats have secured key victories in recent off-year elections, winning gubernatorial races in Virginia and New Jersey, as well as state Supreme Court contests in Pennsylvania. These wins are seen as a positive sign for the party's strategy of focusing on economic issues and distancing themselves from more progressive policies. The results are being closely watched as a potential indicator of trends for upcoming midterm elections. 5. Trump threatens to withhold federal funds from NYC if Mamdani wins mayor race. President Trump has publicly stated his reluctance to provide federal funding to New York City if Zohran Mamdani, a Democratic socialist, wins the mayoral election. Trump has labeled Mamdani a communist and threatened to send only the very minimum required federal funds to the city. Mamdani, who rejects the communist label, has pledged to fight against any such threats, emphasizing his commitment to New Yorkers.